Hi again, I continue on the lesson. So it's the last question is here, so I continue here. So here I have y equal another function squared. So I would say I try to do it step by step for all of them. I would say if I have x squared, y prime is 2x, right? But I don't have x squared, I have something else squared, right? So I have x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7 squared. Okay, so I have means y u squared, and u is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7. So now I can find the answer. So I say, okay, y prime is 2x, but instead of x I use u. Okay, so x squared plus x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7, this is u. Then because I did that, see, I have to think instead of u squared I have x squared. Okay, so then I do 2x. Instead of x I put u. Because I did that, now I have to times with u prime. Okay, so this guy, okay, which is 2 times this 3x squared plus 5, which is 10x plus 0, because derivative of 7 is 0. I recommend here you can multiply 2 with this or with this, one of them. Some students multiply with 2. No, this means you don't multiply with both of them. This means 4, because you do 2 times the other one 2. Wrong. You have to multiply with 1. So I recommend, because it's always, in this case doesn't matter, but because always, for example, this one may have power here, so I don't recommend you multiply with the first one. Always multiply with u prime. Okay, so then you can say the answer is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 7 times 6x squared plus 20x, right? Okay, so now this was the question, right? Now this is the answer. I continue here. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve here. Do you remember a slope of tangent line? A slope of tangent line is derivative. So a slope of tangent line is y prime at 3. Why at 3? Because it says at that point. Why y prime? Because it's a slope of tangent line, and we all know a slope of tangent line is derivative. Oh, okay, I have to find derivative first. Okay, so y is 1 over x squared plus 1. Let's say we don't know how to do derivative of division. Okay, so I don't know how to do derivative of division. I learned it in topic 21, but right now it's topic 19. I know I told you, but so it is x squared plus 1 power minus 1. Okay, so it's like u power minus 1. Okay, so I know if I have y equal x power minus 1, y prime is minus 1 x power minus 2, which is minus 1 over x squared. Okay, good, perfect. But here I don't have x power minus 1, I have u power, so which is, I can show you here with just this, yeah, see, I have y equal 1 over x squared plus 1, which is x squared plus 1 power minus 1. I have u as x squared plus 1. Okay, so I have to do, the answer is y prime minus 1. See, I color that you know which one. Minus 1 x squared plus 1 power minus 2. This one is this one. Okay, times u prime. Now you need to times with u prime. Derivative of inside. Derivative of inside. Because here it's not x power minus 1. It's not 1 over x. It's something else power minus 1. Something else. 1 over something else. Okay, so the answer is minus 1 x squared plus, okay, so I have to do it here. So x squared plus 1 power 2 times 2x. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, so the answer is minus 2x over x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, see, it says a slope of tangent line at that point. Okay, so for now I just found y prime. So what is y prime at 3? I can find the answer. Minus 2 times 3. I just substitute 3 for x. So 3 squared plus 1 squared, which is minus 6 over 9 plus 1, which is 100. 9 plus 1, 10, and 10 squared, 100. Okay? See, it says a slope of tangent line. A slope of tangent line is the first derivative. At which point? 3. So I have to find first derivative and put 3 there. For first derivative, I don't have x power minus 1. I don't have 1 over x. I have 1 over something else. So I say it is x squared plus 1 power minus 1. This is my u. This is u. Okay, so I do exactly the same as x power minus 1 for the derivative. Then I substitute x squared plus 1 and then I times with x squared plus 1. Derivative of x squared plus 1. I time with that. Okay? So you can see this here. Right? And then I substitute 3 inside to find the slope of tangent line at that point. Okay? So this is a slope of tangent line. This one. A slope of tangent line at that point. Okay? So I continue here. Now these are practice questions and I want to do as many as I can. So y prime is, okay, look at this. If I have y equal x power this, right? Then you tell me, okay, y prime is 3 over 5 x power 3 over 5 minus 1, which is 3 over 5 x power minus 2 over 5, right? Which is 3 over 5, which is 3 over 5 root 5 x power 2. Yes? So far so good. Now I have, instead of x, I have something else. That's my u. So u here is 2 minus 5x. Okay? Oh, okay. So I use, for y prime, I use 3 over 5. I use x power 3 over 5 minus 1, which instead of x, I use u. So it is 2 minus 5x power minus 2 over 5. Okay, which is here and this one. And then I times with u prime, which is 2 minus 5x prime. Now what is the answer? Y prime is 3 over 5 root 5 2 minus 5x, my goodness, 2 minus 5x power 2. Yes, so root 5, 2 minus 5x power 2 in the denominator, because it's negative, you know. Okay, you can check from here. Okay, but then you have to times with derivative of inside, which is minus 5. And then the answer is minus 15. Okay, can cancel. I can cancel this and this. So the answer is minus 3 over root 5, 2 minus 5x power 2. Okay? So far so good. See, I have something else power 3 over 5. So I do 3 over 5. That's something else power 3 over 5 minus 1 times derivative of inside, and derivative of inside is minus 5. Derivative of u is minus 5. U prime is minus 5. Okay, so I do a step by step. Here, what is y? Yes, y is 5 over something else power 2. So if I have y 5 over x squared, it is 5x this, and y prime is minus 10x power minus 3. Yes? Yeah. So, which is minus 10x power this. Yes, we all know that. Yes? So, y prime now, I have u. What is u here? X squared minus 1. Okay? Y prime is this. Okay, so do it step by step. You can close you can stop the video and do it on your own and then check. It's fun. So we have to really adjust ourselves with just everything in our life, and we have to. Okay, so we don't have any choice. So y prime is let me see. It's yes, I can do it this way. So I can show y first. So y is 5 x squared minus 1 power minus 2. Yes? Yeah. Okay, so now I do y prime equal 5 x squared minus 1 power minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Yes? So 5, I put 5 there, and that power minus 3. Yes? Let me see. I'm making mistake here. Yes, I have to multiply with. So it's n. I'm making mistake here. So minus 2. Oh yes. So minus 2 times. So it's 5 minus 2 x power minus 3. So it will be minus 10. Yes. So I have to do this. Yeah. So I think this way. It's 5 instead of x power minus 2. I have something else power minus 2, right? So I have to do this. 5 times minus 2, right? Times x squared minus 1 power 3 minus 3. So instead of x power minus 3, yeah, now I do something else power minus 3. And then derivative of inside. Okay? So here also, if I want to do it step by step, so y prime is 5 minus 2 x power minus 3, which is minus 10 x power minus 3. Yes? Yes? Okay? Which is minus 10 over x power 3. Yeah? Okay, so now I can see here. See, I have 5. I have minus 2. I have x power 3, which here is something else power 3. And this is extra. This is extra here. Okay? Which is u prime. So now find it. So y prime is minus 10 x squared minus 1 power minus 3. Yes? Yes. So multiple derivative of 2x, which is minus 20 x divided by x squared minus 1 power minus 3. Power 3, power positive 3. Yes? Okay, so let me see. Am I correct here? Yeah. Okay, so it's correct. Okay, so I do this power. So it's minus 10. This power minus 3 and times 2, which is minus 20. Yes. Okay, so I have to see what is u. Okay, I have to think it's not u, it's x. I have to find the answer. I have to substitute u and times with u prime. This is extra. This is extra and this is important. A student missed this part. Okay, so I make the next video, so